Yes, we were talking about your experience in your present Grameen Bank, and
Yes, sir.
in the Grameen Bank, how many years service have you put?
Uh, till now it's almost completing 4 years of service, sir. I have joined in May 2018.
Acha. When will you be eligible for Scale 2 promotion in Karnataka in your Grameen Bank?
Actually, I have completed JIB and CIB, so I got 2 years relaxation.
Hmm.
It may take another 3 more years, sir, to
Three
get me
more years.
promoted.
Acha, 3 more
Yes,
years.
sir. We're having. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, oh, that's right. So if they ask you question, why do you want to
Yes.
change over to Bank of Maharashtra? What is the answer you will give?
I will go for career perspective, sir. I can directly get into scale two,
Mm,
and after 3 years in Bank of Maharashtra, I will be in scale three. It
good.
will be another one cadre. I will be more in one cadre if I shift to Bank of Maharashtra.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That is the
Yes.
reason. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell about your achievements in your present assignment?
Uh, Sir, in my branch, though I am having 14 crores of advance, I am able to maintain the NP at just 20 lakhs. It is nearly 1.5% of the
Mhm,
advance.
mhm.
Uh, and
Uh,
we have canvassed nearly bank insurance of 3 lakh in a last financial year.
mm,
And we have canvassed AP of nearly 150
mm,
in a year.
mm,
And we have crossed the target given by our bank.
mm.
And the previous branch, as it is a heavy NPA branch, I have recovered with my team nearly 2 crores in a financial year
Very good.
to various teams.
Acha,
Yes.
which is the biggest account where you recovered in that among the 2 crore?
Uh, all the accounts are of the range of 5 to 10 lakhs, sir. Near all 2 lakh, 5 lakh on the train, sir. It's not a big amount, above 40 lakhs.
Oh,
That type kind of loans are not there in the branch. It's a rural area,
oh,
mostly concentrated in agricultural loans.
mm-hmm.
I have recovered a loan of a tractor which was burnt in 2006.
So nice.
For which insurance, yes, for which we are not able to claim insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Before passing itself, it has burnt.
Mm.
So there is a technical problem with the insurance company and our bank. We are not able to claim the insurance.
Mm-hmm.
From 2008 onwards, it was in NPA.
Mm-hmm.
Successfully, we are able to close the account in 2019.
Good. Very good. Very good. That's really
Yes, we have
nice.
closed it for 11 lakh rupees, sir.
Excellent. Some concessions were given and then it was closed, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. That's nice. Now, in your present branch, which is a major type
Yes.
of advance?
Major type of advance, agriculture advance nearly 60%, sir,
Mm.
and a gold loan of nearly 2 crore rupees,
Mm.
and housing loan 1 crore, and remaining MSME loans all other.
Acha. Now, please tell me about
Yes.
how you are helping agriculturists in your area.
Yes. The major portfolio we are having is KCC, which is common for all the banks. It is a common product by Reserve Bank of India, for which we are giving financing for their short-term crop needs, which is in the form of overdraft facility, as per the scale of finance fixed by the SLTC and DLTC. In my area, almost 99% is sugarcane.
Yeah.
Sugarcane growing area. By this way, providing the crop loans, and by the recent scheme, animal husbandry, and this area is also concentrated with dairy related dairy areas. So farmers are also having animals. For them, we are providing animal husbandry, that is for the maintenance of the animals as working capital.
Good.
Yes,
so now,
yes.
Can you explain some problems or difficulties you have experienced in KCC? Or what is your, if there is no negative experience, what is the positive experience you would like to tell about you are giving advances to KCC?
Yes, sir. For the KCC, earlier there is a problem of drought in this particular area where I am working. So the recovery became a little bit difficult. That nearly we have struggled for 2 years to recover the loans. After that, now the climate situation is good and we are getting heavy rains. Now we have convinced the customer for OTS schemes, and now now the loans have become regular. Due to the climatic and economic problems, they are not able to repay for that particular time.
Can you tell me what is that OTS scheme?
OTS scheme, one-time settlement scheme, which is the process where the bank give the concession to the customer by considering their profit and loss, by the fee, to up to which extent they can leave the amount, they can waive the customer, so that customer can be benefited and even the bank can benefited by saving the provision amount. So they can restore the provision amount after NPA get closed.
Very good, very good. Now, overall, your Grameen Bank is making profit or loss?
Sir, in the last financial year, it is just profit. Before year, it was in loss, sir.
In the previous
because
year?
of that, almost all our areas in drought affected. So all the weak cases become NPA. Now the situation is restored. And this present financial year, we have made a good profit. It is yet to be released, or it is still going on.
Now, what is the deposits also have increased, or what is the trend in deposits in your bank? In your bank as a whole?
In my branch.
Bank.
In my bank as a whole, the deposit, yes, sir. Business is grown, sir. Even deposit as well advance. We got a positive growth in the business, sir.
Achha. I think in
my particular,
in your state you have two Grameen banks, your bank and another one, no?
Yes, sir. Karnataka Grameen Bank.
Achha. Of these two, which is having more deposits, more business? Hello?
More business.
You are not.
Yes, sir. I think it was. I was not able to recall perfectly. I think it is Karnataka Grameen Bank because two banks merged and became the Karnataka Grameen Bank.
Okay.
I think they are having slightly more, not a big amount. No, I was not able to recall the exact value, sir.
Yeah, I suggest you get to know about your bank and also about the other bank, because there may be a comparison. They can ask you questions like this.
Yes, sir.
Thoda pad lijiye.
Yes.
Please.
Both the bankers are sponsored by Canara Bank itself.
Achha, now I have a very serious doubt for a long time. See, recovery of NPA from agriculture is,
sir.
we are not permitted to bring the land property for sale, correct? Somebody said there is some objection in that. So what is the position in that regard? How banks are taking care of that NPA? Whether there is possibility for selling the land or not? You please tell me some ideas about it.
Yes, actually in Karnataka government there is a act called CACO MP, Karnataka Agriculture Credit Operations and Miscellaneous Provision. As per that act, we can file a application in ARCS, Assistant for Corporate Society, for recovery of this particular agricultural loan after it became NPA. We will serve the notices and then later we will approach to ARCS. Then he will issue the recovery certificate. On behalf of government, they will issue the recovery certificate that they will recover the loan from their sources. Later on, we have to forward that recovery certificate to district commissioner. From there, he will insist the local revenue authority for the recovery. After trying their process, if it was not recovered, then they will convert the property into the name of government. We can't take any questions. They will convert into government, and they will mark the dues as government dues, like panchayati dues.
Okay.
Like that, they can convert. The bank, we are not having any permission to seize and to sell the property.
Will the bank be able to get the money from government?
Like that, it will impact.
Will the bank be able to get money
by
from
this process? We can get the money, but it will take a
longer time.
Sir, the government, the revenue department people, yes, it will take a long time.
Correct.
So we'll try for mostly OTS schemes and other possible methods. For this, we have have to pay commission for the government nearly 2.5%, 2.5% to 5% for this process where they exist as per the recovery.
Oh, good. So that means you can't use Surface Act and all that. You
Surface Act will use non-agricultural property, sir.
Very
It's
good.
agricultural, we can't use Surface.
Good. Excellent. Very good. Will you be able to relocate yourself into other parts of the country?
Yes, sir, definitely. I'm a native of Andhra Pradesh and I'm now working in Karnataka. From the last 4 years, I have even applied for Karnataka region.
Good, good.
So it's not an issue for me to locate anywhere in India.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Can you tell me what are your strengths? Hello.
Sir, I'm a quick learner. I can. Hello, sir.
Hello. Tell me. What are your strengths?
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I'm a quick learner. I can able to learn the things in a very short span. And I will maintain a good relation with the staff and with customers. So it will help me in the recovery as well as in the day-to-day work to be completed.
Okay, good. What is your goal? I think that WhatsApp is getting reconnecting. I think some problem. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I think it got disconnected.
Sir.
It doesn't matter.
Sir,
doesn't matter. Now tell me what.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who is your role model?
My role model is definitely my father, sir. He's having a good knowledge and he's a businessman. I learned from him how to talk with the customers. Yeah. And he helped. He has a good knowledge in finance also. Like some requirements which is required for his business. He is not employed any auditor or any accountant. He will do his own work. From him, I will learn this something from my childhood. Very good.
Excellent. What do you know about the latest monetary policy decision?
Sir, monetary policy decision, repo rate and reverse repo rate is not changed. It was same as per the last one. Like repo rate is fixed at 4% and reverse repo rate is 3.35%. And the government introduced a new one, SDF, standing deposit facility with 3.75%. This SDF is similar to repo rate, reverse repo rate, where in reverse repo rate, banks give the money to the RBI and gets the securities. Whereas in SDF, banks didn't get any securities, so they are providing additional 40 basis point.
Good. So, what do you know about standing deposit facility?
Standing deposit facility is a process where the government is going to take the money from the in public so as to reduce the inflation.
No. I think you are not clear about it. Standing deposit facility is a facility whereby banks can keep their funds with RBI and RBI will be giving 3.75% interest. This is done in order to reduce the inflation. You are right.
Yes.
That is correct. It is done to reduce the inflation. Now, who is the governor of RBI? Shaktikanta Das.
Shaktikanta Das, sorry.
Yeah, doesn't matter. How many deputy governors are there in RBI?
There are 5 deputy governors, sir.
5 or 4? 4 only.
Okay.
Only.
I'm not able to the recent data.
Only 4.
Maybe one got written.
Only 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Now, in your role as branch manager, how many people are working under you in your branch?
Myself and then one officer and 2 clerks, sir.
Bus only this many people.
4 members.
What is the total business?
Yes,
total business 14 plus.
Total 33 crores, sir. 14 plus 19, sir.
Oh, your branch is making profit?
Yes, sir. Making profit. Definitely, we are in deposit branch. Is definitely almost there is a gap of nearly. We are the profit will only, sir.
Net profit will
in
come.
the last financial year.
Yeah, net
profit nearly 35 lakh we got net profit, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very happy.
Yes.
Now, what is the strategy adopted by you to improve the deposits of your branch? Tell me.
And deposits, sir, we are trying to canvass the deposits from the teachers by nearby schools and from the factories. Actually, there is a problem in my area that most of my areas with cooperative banks. Nearly 11 cooperative banks and one cooperative bank is headquartered in my present area, which is operating in 2 states with nearly 193 branches. So it's a big competition for me.
I think they'll be offering higher interest, na?
Yes, sir. Almost 9% they are offering.
Appa, 9%?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, sir. 8.8 to 9% based on the tenure and the senior citizen life. Our interest rate is maximum 6% and 6.2% for senior citizens. So that is one of the biggest problem I have faced. Though we are able to maintain the same deposit, we are trying to increase, but there is some resistance. We are not able to do, but we are not going to negative with the last 2 years financial year. Good. How we are adapting the.
How are you using social media for development?
Social media, actually, we are publicizing our new schemes launched by our branch in the social media to create the awareness and the financial inclusion schemes like PMJGB, PM SBI, APY, and in other possible ways.
No,
to publicize our products and the interest rate offered.
Which social media are you using? Facebook or Twitter? What is it you are using?
Actually, I am using my WhatsApp, sir. My WhatsApp number is that's a bank official number, which will be available with all the customers. So I have made that mobile number as a business page, and I have linked the products in catalog so that they can see whenever they see the profile, and I will keep the statuses.
Good.
Status.
Very good. Yeah. Very good. Tell me something about MSME sector finance and priority sector finance in your branch, your practical experience.
Yes, sir. Our branch is mostly in our bank. Our bank will reach the target in the priority sector lending in mostly in agriculture and MSME. Even our bank used to sell the priority sector lender certificate, and they will earn interest. It's also my interest that the bank is earning. So we are doing good in priority sector advances.
Can you tell me what?
Can you tell me
what are the different sectors included under priority sector? It's a basic question.
Priority sector different.
It's a basic question.
Yes,
yeah.
Which was the list of sector which are in priority sector, like agricultural sector, MSME, and renewable energy, and the housing loan, SHGs, education loan, housing loan up to 35 lakh in metropolitan cities, and other areas it is 25 lakh is covered under priority sector, and education loans up to 20 lakh is covered under priority sector.
Good.
And SHGs.
Very good, very good. SHG, do you have account in your branch? You have SHG or not?
SHG very little number of accounts, are nearly 10, 11 accounts. The credit linkage is only for 4 to 5 accounts.
Acha. Oh. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, what is the latest news that you have read about banking or economy in newspapers?
Recently, I have read the monetary policy and the inflation forecast that is going to, it may increase the inflation. and the GDP is also reduced by the recent announcement. I was not exactly clear about the values. Yes.
Okay. Now, are you following that current affair inputs, that is snippets?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I have seen recently that magazine, sir. So I have started preparing from the last 2 days. Earlier I don't know about that. It is having a good content, sir. Monthly content was very nice content, easy to understand.
Good. 1 minute. Current affairs. Yeah, 1 minute. Now, who is our? Tell me something about bank. We have not talked about Bank of Maharashtra at all. Tell me something about Bank of Maharashtra.
The Bank of Maharashtra is headquartered in Pune, and it is having nearly 2,000 branches, of which nearly 600 branches are in rural areas and remaining urban and semi-urban areas. And they are offering the better interest rates when I compare to the other banks. Like housing loan, they're starting from 6.4%. Even in gold loan, they're offering 7%. This kind of interest, 6.4 housing loan interest, I haven't seen in any of the other banks in India. I have searched the many banks, but it is giving the best interest rates.
Good. Then the do you know about their performance, about their total business position?
Business position, I don't know the exact figures, sir. I haven't yet started reading about the Bank of Maharashtra.
General, you are not prepared.
You are not prepared. Sir, but they're improving. Earlier it was in, I think, PCA, and the PCA got removed, and it is now improving.
Good. Yeah. So what is meant by PCA?
PCA, prompt corrective action. This is the action taken by the Reserve Bank of India when they think that bank is going to be in risk. They're having some thresholds, nearly 3 thresholds, risk threshold 1, 2, 3. Based on that thresholds, they will impose the restrictions on the bank, mandatory restrictions. It will be imposed. After getting their the bank becomes stable, then they will remove that. The restrictions like cutting the expenses and cutting the capital expenditure, additional capital expenditure, and not opening the new branches. Very good. Now tell me, what are the various risks banks are facing? Various risks. Generally, that credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk. Because I am asking, because you have studied CIB also. That is why. Otherwise, I will not ask. Yes, there is. Yeah. Yes, there is. There are 4 types of risk: market risk, liquidity risk, credit risk, and I was not able to recall the other risk. Major risks. I am just telling you. I'm seeing from major risk for banks. Yeah. Credit risk is one. Operational risk, market risk. Yes. Like that. So yes. I suggest you liquidity risk. Yes. These 4 mainly. Okay. Yeah. You better study about them also, because now they may not go this much in detail, but still you please be ready. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Very good. Now, what do you know about positive pay system? Yes, a positive pay system is introduced to mitigate the risk involved in the checks. The positive pay system is the process where the customer has to update the details of the checks issued by him above 5 lakhs, which is mandatory. And there is the amount is some banks have given some relaxation like up to above 50,000. Some banks may insist for that, but 5 lakh is the mandatory one. Above 5 lakh, they have to upload the data in the post-pay system. The same is verified in the clearing process. It will reduce the forged checks, and this can be mitigated.
Have you heard of this? First time I am reading this. E-rupee.
Yes.
Have you heard about it?
No, sir, I don't have any idea about it.
I'm just giving a link for you in our Telegram.
Yes.
You are a member of our Telegram group?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
72020.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have joined that group.
Yeah, 1 minute. First time I am reading e-rupee. Yeah, a digital payment solution. It has been developed by NPCI in collaboration with Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Health and Family
Yes,
Welfare.
I came to know that, sir. It is for DBT.
That is
like for the government schemes, they're using for government schemes.
Oh, e-rupee is a cashless and contactless instrument for digital payment. It is a QR code of SMS string-based e-voucher which is delivered to the mobile of the beneficiaries. Users of this seamless one-time payment mechanism will be able to redeem vouchers without a card, digital payments, app or internet banking access. E-rupee connects per sponsors of services with the beneficiaries and service providers in a digital manner without any physical interface. It also ensures payments to the service provider is made only after the transaction is completed. Expected benefits. It is expected to be a revolutionary initiative. It can also be used for delivering services and schemes meant for providing drugs and nutritional support under mother and child welfare schemes. Even the private sector can leverage these digital vouchers as part of their employee welfare and corporate social responsibility programs. Something new, I am not remembering it. Doesn't matter. Good.
Yes, yes.
What do you know about gold bond scheme?
Sir, it means sovereign gold bond, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sovereign gold bond is initiated by the is nothing but digital gold, so as to reduce the investment in. There are some people though use for gold for ornament purpose. There's some for investment purpose. For those who are going for investment purpose, it is beneficial for them to go in SGB. It is offering a 2.5% interest rate semi-annually. It will be get credited to their account. And that rate is that gold bond is in the can be purchased in the value of the 1 gram gold. It will be fixed by the RBI. It will be released in 6 tranches, 6 slots in a year. On that particular time, we can buy that. In secondary market also, we can purchase from the other people.
Okay.
Yes.
Very
It
good.
is having a lock-in of 9 years, I think, sir. I am not able to recall the exact year. I think it was 9 years. Actually, I have purchased the same, so
Good.
I got some idea about it.
Good. Now, a few questions. Do you have some bank correspondence in your RRB, in your present branch?
Actually, in RRB it was there, sir. In my present branch, business correspondent is not there, but I have idea about that.
What is that?
Process, sir.
What is that?
Business correspondent is helpful in financial inclusion. That they can go to the customer directly. They can help in withdrawal as well as credits, and similarly transfers and account opening. And even they can use the ATM also to get for the withdrawal purpose. And this BC version works with AEPS, Other Enabled Payment System. This major concept involved in this.
Very good. Is it a beneficial one?
Yes, sir, it is beneficial, sir. In my branch, there are many pensioners. They're coming for the pension of nearly 600 rupees every time. They're spending. They're coming from nearly 4 to 5 kilometers distance.
Oh, good.
Excellent. For that people, this BC will be definitely beneficial for them.
Very good.
Travel expenses will be saved for them.
Excellent. Very good. Do you have any connection, RRBs? Do you have any transaction or connection with NABARD?
NABARD.
At the branch level, you may not have any connection.
Yes, sir. But there is a refinancing will be there, sir. That bank can get funds by showing the advances given to agricultural related sectors. I don't know exactly that I have studied it somewhere in my circles.
Do they send some people for inspection and all? Do you have RBI inspection?
Yes, sir,
or NABARD inspection?
Yes, sir. NABARD inspection will be there, sir. I will get recently surplus that complaints raised by the NABARD team. So we have to rectify the complaints in the future days. So we'll get the frequent surplus after getting complaint after NABARD inspection and other statutory inspection. Some auditors.
How regularly are you reading the circulars issued by your head office?
Yes, sir. We will open the circulars daily at the time of EOD, sir. At the closing of the day, it will take the process of EOD. By that time, we will open the circulars. It will take nearly 10 to 15 minutes to complete the EOD. That time, I will give you a look at the circulars that I have recently issued. The major circulars will be, I will take the printout and I will study at the home. That is my daily routine.
Very good. How do you keep your staff informed about the circulars?
The major circulars at the leisure time after 4 o'clock, we will be free, sir, after closing the cash transactions. At that time, we will do the other works. In that time, we will discuss about the circulars, sir.
Good.
And my branch staff is also clerical. They are in the ready for promotion. So we'll conduct a knowledge sharing.
Very good.
Not like a meeting at the time of doing the work itself. We will discuss the topics.
Very good. Good. Nice. You have been able to answer most of my questions correctly. Do you have any questions?
Sir, I have one doubt. Maybe it was in deep, I think. Actually, in SFB, sir, in monetary policy, like in reverse repo rate, government that RBI is going to offer securities, no, sir. Whether these securities can be shown in SLR?
I have no clear idea about this. Sorry.
Yes, I got it out. Because if the bank is having already fulfilled the SLR, then there is no question of reverse repo rate. They can directly go for SDF. They are getting 0.4%.
Yeah,
additional.
Yeah. I am not sure why it
Maybe
is. Yeah, I am not clear about that. You please check it up and then message me through WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. I have tried the various sources, but after introducing this SDF, then I got it out why bank requires securities. Maybe I think the bank is showing that securities in the SLR. SLR, they have to show the mandatory securities of 18%. Yeah.
Even RRBs should maintain SLR, na?
Yes, sir. SLR, CRR, it will be maintained, sir.
It has to be maintained. Very good.
It has to be maintained.
Yeah, you have answered almost most of the questions very nicely. Best wishes. You be reading current affairs about Bank of Maharashtra, about Karnataka, 2 Grameen banks also. And next time when we meet, we can ask some more questions so that we can discuss about it. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Best
sir,
wish.
What will be the rating you will be given to my performance?
Rating is 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
9 out of 10 because you are confident in answering majority of the questions and you are already a bank manager also, holding charge of a scale 3 branch. No,
sir, I have one more doubt.
Yeah.
My background is completely different, sir. I have completed BTech Petroleum Engineering. Whether they will rise in this interview?
Normally, no. Normally, no. Because they don't ask. Because now you are taken as a banker. From there only questions will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Best wishes.
So for that purpose, I am again reading the topics related to petroleum also.
No. They will not ask. Sorry. No. See, anybody, petroleum means maximum they can confuse you by asking what is our detail about present petroleum prices, how it is affecting our economy, and do you think that government is fully subsidizing it, not subsidizing it? Some such cross questions can come.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And which are the refineries in your state? Why
Yes.
why
Okay.
did you choose this subject? Some such questions they can ask.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. You are done well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And next time you want to talk, you tell me, ask me 1 or 2 days before date so that we can fix a time and we can discuss something more about current affairs also, if necessary. But we don't know what type of question they will ask. Still, you go through my current affairs snippets every day. Okay? Thank you.